You don't need to be a genius to navigate the complex world of health insurance. I've got all the simple tips you need right here. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that impacts everyone's lives: health insurance. Do you know what the biggest misconception about health insurance is? Stick around, and let's find out together. Health insurance is a crucial aspect of our lives, yet many of us may not fully understand how it works. It's essential for everyone to have a basic understanding of health insurance to make informed decisions about their healthcare. Let's face it, dealing with health insurance can be overwhelming. From navigating high costs to deciphering complex coverage options, it's no walk in the park. Many people find themselves struggling to make sense of it all. So, what are the key components of health insurance that we need to know about? Well, there are premiums, deductibles, co-pays, and networks. Understanding how these factors play a role in your coverage can make a world of difference in your healthcare journey. When you understand that a health insurance plan has two types of cost structures, you have to find the right plan that will meet your budget. For example, with the second type cost structure, you pay the plan premium and then a copay when you go to the doctor without having to meet a deductible, which means that the cost flow is less, unlike a health plan with type 1 cost structure, which has a greater cash flow, because you have to meet the deductible before you pay copays or coinsurance. Now, here comes the key moment: choosing the right health insurance plan. It's crucial to pick a plan that not only fits your needs but also your budget. By selecting the right plan, you can ensure that you receive the care you need without breaking the bank. In summary, being informed about health insurance is vital. We've covered the basics, explored the challenges, and highlighted the importance of choosing the right plan. It's all about making educated decisions when it comes to your health and well-being. Before we wrap up, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from understanding health insurance better. Together, we can empower ourselves and others to navigate the world of healthcare with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.